If we divide 163 by 2 in a long division method, so 2 times 8 means 16. On subtracting we got 0. So now we bring down the number beside this 3 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we got 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we got 0. So 163 divided by 2 we got 81.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.